chopping board is a base for chopping or chopping foodstuffs which are made of boards. This kitchen utensil is generally used to prepare food. Chopping boards are generally made of wood or plastic in various shapes and sizes. Wood material is very much in demand because it does not damage the sharpness of the knife. And of course environmentally friendly and safe for food. For that we try to review a little about how to make a chopping board from teak wood, and hope it is useful for you all. First process, the teak wood is cut into small pieces, so that later the material can be neatly arranged. Each side must be completely flat and precise. This is very important so that later the knife does not wobble and can cause injury when chopping board is used. Combine all the pieces of wood to form a board. In this case, it is better to use glue that has good adhesion, so that each connection board can be glued well and strong. The next step is to cut the board so that it becomes the shape we want. Hollow out the board for handrails, or so that it can be hung when storing it. These handrails do not have to be circular, but sometimes square or otherwise, as you wish. Surface and all sides of the board to make it more comfortable when in use. Coating wood to make it more attractive and more resistant to water. This coating material must be chosen as a non-hazardous material, because it will later come into contact with food. Now the chopping board is ready to use. Thank you for following this video to the end, and thank you for subscribing to this channel.